Hi, I'm Charlotte Schreiner of Charlotte & Associates with RE/MAX Gateway. Today I'm here at my newest listing at 13115 Mercury Lane in Fairfax. This home is gorgeous and it's in the sought-after Greenbrier community located just 20 miles outside of Washington, D.C. So come on in and check it out. This home has been smartly remodeled to be an open floor plan concept. It's got beautiful new flooring, brand new windows to let in all of the natural light. Last but not least, one of my favorite parts of this home is this gorgeous fenced backyard and a wonderful inviting screened-in porch. Again, this home is located just 20 miles outside of Washington, D.C. in the sought-after Greenbrier community. Top schools, near shopping, dining. If you have any more questions, you can call or text 703-298-0689 or visit my website at charlotteschreiner.com. Thanks for watching.